you watched our previous video, you know where we are, and that is at Honnavar. And right now we are at a scenic beach, and that is the Kasarkod EcoBeach. Have a look. Then this is your beach, because look at the chairs. You can just sit here. They charge you to sit in these chairs, but I guess it's worth it because the beach is right in front of you. Sit here, recline back, enjoy the view, enjoy the sound. There's a children's park as well. It's a well-maintained beach, and it deserves the eco beach that they have titled. Right now, and that is parallel to the beach. The beach is right there, and this is a huge, humongous park. There are some nice, decent pathways. The walkways are nicely set. You have to pay some money at the entrance. We paid 10 rupees per head, and it's nicely maintained. Again, there are boards that say do not litter. So genuinely, be it at the beach or be it at the park here, do not litter. Keep it clean, but you are bound to have a great time. Wander away from the main pathway or the walkway at the park, this is where you wind up, and the scene is beautiful here as well. You see a lot of trees here. Then again, the play area is extended, so you can sit under the trees and just have a good time, relaxed time. At the beach, and right now at the park we're just sitting back and relaxing. There's a nice play area where you can see a lot of kids playing. It's very casual, it's fun. You can definitely come here, spend some quality time, and the kids can definitely have a good time here. And right now we're gonna wind up this video. Do come here if you visit this place, if you visit Honnavar. Go back to our previous video, watch that video, go to that place, and then come here, enjoy this place as well. So if you come around say 2 o'clock, you can spend a nice entire evening right here at Honnavar. Well, on that note, we're gonna wind up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel, The Shoe Hostess, and stay tuned for more such fun and interesting content. Now we're gonna go to the beach and watch the sunset. Toodles and bye.